Magnetized drawer storage solutions maximize safety and compactness by securing metal utensils and knives vertically inside shallow island-faced drawers. Start by measuring drawer interior depth, width, and available side clearance so you can choose the correct magnet strength and layout. For magnetic drawer liners, select food-safe or moisture-resistant materials and affix rare earth magnets in a grid pattern, spacing magnets about 2 to 3 inches apart for knives and 1 to 2 inches for thinner utensils. When installing inset knife blocks along the drawer side, cut a slim wooden or polymer strip the full drawer depth and glue or screw it to the side wall. Then embed or surface mount magnets so blades sit flat and are easy to slide in and out. For angled magnet strips inside the drawer, face mount the strip at a 30 to 45 degree tilt so gravity helps engage the blade, tang and keeps tips away from the bottom, and verify magnet polarity so items do not repel each other. Removable magnetic utensil trays that slot into the drawer let you lift out all tools at once for cleaning and reorient magnets if you change utensils, so design trays with drainage holes and a non-slip base. Maintain hygiene with replaceable magnet pads or strips that are inexpensive to swap, and choose magnets coated with plastic or stainless steel for corrosion resistance. When cleaning, remove magnetic assemblies if they are not rated waterproof. Common mistakes include using magnets that are too weak, which lets items fall and can dull blades. So test pull force with a similar utensil before final mounting and upgrade to stronger magnets if items shift. A second issue is placing magnets parallel to the blade edge, which can bend or nick thin knives. So orient magnets along the spine or tang and provide full contact support to distribute force. Third is poor ventilation and trapped moisture that causes rust on knives and magnets, so leave a small air gap or add ventilation slots. Dry items before storing, and use replaceable pads or corrosion-resistant coatings to keep surfaces clean. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community where we discuss installation tips, product choices, and safety practices relevant to magnetized drawer systems. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase completed projects and join conversations so we all learn better ways to save space and protect blades.